RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the latest addition to the Wpl product line. This is the D42, which looks pretty cool. This is officially licensed. Can't really pronounce the model name of this, so I'll just put it in the description. And to be honest, I don't quite remember either, so, and it's all in Chinese on the box. But yeah, this is officially licensed, sort of a cult classic, really cool minivan body. Looks really good on the box here. So this is sent to me from Wpl. So huge thanks to Edward and the crew over there. Super excited about this one. And yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is 1/10 scale. Just want to mention that. Okay, so here we go. This looks really cool. Full interior, a lot of room for scale figs in there. It looks really neat, and reminds a lot of it reminds me of the D12. However, got the D12 here. It's a bit shorter wheelbase actually, so you can see here got a shorter drive shaft on this one, and I will do a comparison video between these two soon. But let's just focus on the new D42 here. Transmitter, same as the D12 transmitter. I like this one, super easy to use one-handed. And a bunch of stickers and other details for the hard body. Ooh, that's nice. For the dashboard, a lot of detail. Some extra leaf suspension here, leaf springs. You can see we got the leaf suspension in the back and the torsion bar type of suspension in the front. The same wheels here as the D12. And okay, so I think this is like a little exhaust, and that's where you hide the battery. Nice. Got the little 600 milliamp 2 cell here, 7.4 volts. Sorry. So that's pretty neat. At least I think it's supposed to be a exhaust. I don't know. Looks like it. On-off switch in front, and a bunch of detail. You can see the gear shift in there, in between the seats, and you can see where you're supposed to put the stickers. Ooh, looks real good, and I'm pretty excited about this one. Got LEDs in the front, none hooked up in the rear, but as you can see, it comes prepared. And yeah, it looks super good. It feels really solid, and sure is something different. Let's open the bag here. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, nice. Okay, so we got a lot of stickers or decals. These add a lot of cool detail to the body once you fit them all. They look really good. And some sort of double-sided tape here. I'm not sure what this is for. Got some plastic details to fit to the body. And yeah, these are really nice, same as the D12. Really nice side mirrors, wing mirrors. Yeah, let's fit this stuff on here and see how it looks like with all the details. And well, you can see this is nice as well. Got some spares for the drive shaft as well as for the links in the front suspension, so that's nice. Simple tools and a USB charger. Okay, so here we go. Got some stickers fitted. The cab sticker on the top there, which was this plastic detail was supposed to be fitted with the help of that two-sided tape that I wondered about earlier. Looks kind of cool. Fitted some plastic details here as well, and the stickers for the rear lights here. So there's still tons of stickers left. I just wanted to get this unboxing out there. It looks really cool. Really odd looking little van, but I really like it. Some other unboxings coming out there. They're coming up to the channel soon. Just a little teaser. But yeah, this looks really nice. I really like it, and it will look even better with all these fitted. So don't forget to check out the links below. Pick one of these up for yourself. They are dirt cheap, great value, tons of potential, and please consider subscribing. I know a lot of you guys aren't subscribed. Something like, I don't know, 80% of my viewers aren't subscribed to my channel, so please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. It means a lot to me. And yeah, make sure you don't miss the run video that's coming up. We'll give this a proper test run. Just love these side mirrors. Looks so good. Put that there. And how cool are these two together? That's that's really nice. Love it. Leave a link down below for the D12 as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Just a quick look. Run video coming soon, as well as some other cool unboxings. Also working on my C44 build here. Got the portal axles fitted. Some other decent stuff on here. M99 wheels, so this is coming soon as well. Probably going to paint it with this PS59 dark metallic blue, we'll see. So yeah, lots of cool stuff coming up for the channel. So I'll see you soon.